9-minute Dhammapada, Part 7.
He who formerly was reckless and afterwards became sober brightens up this world like the moon when freed from clouds. He whose evil deeds are covered by good deeds brightens up this world like the moon when freed from clouds. This world is dark. Few only can see here. A few only go to heaven, like birds escaped from the net. The swans go on the path of the sun. They go through the ether by means of their miraculous power. The wise are led out of this world when they have conquered Mara and his train. If a man has transgressed one law and speaks lies and scoffs at another world, there is no evil he will not do. The uncharitable do not go to the world of the gods. Fools only do not praise liberality. A wise man rejoices in liberality, and through it becomes blessed in the other world. Better than sovereignty over the earth, better than going to heaven, better than lordship over all worlds, is the reward of the first step in holiness. Chapter 14. The Buddha, or the Awakened. He whose conquest is not conquered again, into whose conquest no one in this world enters, by what track can you lead him? The Awakened, the Omniscient, the Trackless. He whom no desire with its snares and poisons can lead astray, by what track can you lead him? The Awakened, the Omniscient, the Trackless. Even the gods envy those who are awakened and not forgetful, who are given to meditation, who are wise, and who delight in the repose of retirement from the world. Difficult to obtain is the conception of men. Difficult is the life of mortals. Difficult is the hearing of the true law. Difficult is the birth of the awakened, that is, the attainment of Buddhahood. Not to commit any sin, to do good, and to purify one's mind, that is the teaching of all the Buddhas. The awakened call patience the highest penance, long-suffering the highest nirvana, for he is not an anchorite who strikes others. He is not an ascetic who insults others. Not to blame, not to strike, to live restrained under the law, to be moderate in eating, to sleep and sit alone, and to dwell on the highest thoughts. This is the teaching of the awakened. There is no satisfying lusts, even by a shower of gold pieces, He who knows that lusts have a short taste and cause pain, he is wise. Even in heavenly pleasures, he finds no satisfaction. The disciple who is fully awakened delights only in the destruction of all desires. Men driven by fear go to many a refuge, to mountains and forests, to groves and sacred trees. But that is not a safe refuge. That is not the best refuge. A man is not delivered from all pains after having gone to that refuge. He who takes refuge with the Buddha, the Dhamma, the Sangha, that is, the awakened, the law, and the church, he who with clear understanding sees the four holy truths, namely pain, the origin of pain, the destruction of pain, and the eightfold holy way that leads to the quieting of pain. That is the safe refuge. That is the best refuge. Having gone to that refuge, a man is delivered from all pain. A Buddha is not easily found. He is not born everywhere. Wherever such a sage is born, that race prospers. Happy is the arising of the Buddha. Happy is the teaching of the Dhamma. Happy is the peace in the Sangha. Happy is the devotion of those who are at peace. He who pays homage to those who deserve homage, whether the awakened or their disciples, those who have overcome the host of evils and crossed the flood of sorrow, he who pays homage to such as have found deliverance and know no fear, his merit can never be measured by anybody. Chapter 15. Happiness. Let us live happily, then, not hating those who hate us. Among men who hate us, let us dwell free from hatred.
End of part 7, 9-minute Dhammapada.
Mano Buddhang